Thank you for joining. This is a networking lab demonstration. This lab covers the creation of VLANs within a subnetted environment. Each VLAN has its own subnet as per best networking practices. I'll hold off on configuring the trunking for the next video. For now, I'll start by re-demonstrating the pre-VLAN subnet behavior. I'll show how PCs on the same subnet can communicate with each other even if they are on two different switches. Then I'll show you the impact of adding VLANs to the topology. Again, trunking will not be added during this video. In this basic subnetted environment, PC2 pings PC0. The two PCs are on the same subnet. VLANs have not yet been configured. The ping is successful. Now I'll turn to a different subnet. This time PC3 will ping PC1. Again, the two PCs share a subnet. The ping is successful. That was a basic subnetted environment. Now I'll move on to the VLAN portion of the video. I've defined VLANs on the switches and assigned each of its active ports a VLAN-id. VLANs 10, 20, 30, and 40 have been created for this topology. In the VLAN environment, PC2 pings PC0. They are on the same subnet and the same VLAN. Trunking has not yet been configured. This is a big problem, and you'll see why. The ping is failing because the two PCs are on different switches, and the switches have not been configured to forward VLAN traffic amongst each other. Being on the same subnet aids in managing traffic as a Layer 3 communication. VLAN tagging is a part of Layer 2 and requires switches to be trunked to allow the forwarding of VLAN traffic between them. Without trunking, PCs that are on the same VLAN but connected to different switches cannot communicate. I'll make another attempt. It fails. The same problem happens when PC3 pings PC1. In the next video, trunking will be configured on the switches. Each of the ports of a switch that is connected to another switch will be configured with switch port mode trunk instead of switch port mode access. This will allow the PCs on the same VLAN to communicate. Okay, yes, you can see that it failed. I'll ping one more time. You can see that it failed again, as it should. Join me in the next video for trunking.